Hello students, welcome to the science class, chapter 11, light, shadows and reflection. Today we are going to study about how to prepare a pinhole camera, a very interesting thing which you can do and try it out by making it yourself. Take two boxes so that one can slide into another with no gap in between them. Cut open one side of each box. On the opposite side face of the large box, make a small hole in the middle, like you can see it in the image. Cut out from the middle a square with a side of about 5 to 6 centimeter. Cover this open square in the box with a tracing paper. Slide the smaller box inside the larger one with a hole in such a way that side with a tracing paper is inside. Your pinhole camera is ready. Now, holding the pinhole camera, look through the open face of the smaller box. You should use a piece of black cloth to cover yourself so that there is a dark place inside it. Now try to look at some distance object like a tree or a building through the pinhole camera. Make sure that the object you wish to see should be in a bright sunshine. Move the smaller box forward or backward till you get a picture on the tracing paper pasted on the other end. Now, by looking at this through the pinhole camera, is the image that you see on the tracing paper the same as of the shadow? No, it will not be the same. It will be a colored shadow is basically a dark patch and it is a colored image, and yet it will be a inverted image, means like the tree you are seeing, you can see an inverted tree in the on the tracing paper. Do these pictures see the camera shows that the objects are colored objects on the other side of the camera. Now let us now image the sun. Let's take the image of the sun. We need a slightly different set of things. We just need a large sheet of cardboard with a small pin hole in the middle. Hold the sheet of the sun up in the sun and let its shadow fall on a clear area. You will see a small circular image of the sun in the middle of the shadow of the cardboard. There is a cardboard that you get, you can see a black patch, and in the black patch in the center you can see the image of the sun. And this is how you must be knowing how we are seeing the eclipses also. When the eclipses are there, we just see it through the pinhole and the screen to get a clear image before the eclipse occur. Look at the image as the eclipse begin. You will notice a part of the sun image gradually becoming darker as the eclipse starts. Never ever look directly at the sun. That could extremely harmful for your eyes. There are natural pinholes. While you are sitting under the shade of the tree, you will see through the leaves, you can see the sunlight filtering through it and seeing the small circular patches on the ground, like that is the image of the sun. Sometimes they are regular and sometimes they are irregular. Let's take one more example. This shows through the pinhole camera we are able to see the result of seeing is the formation of shadow, and pinhole images are possible only if the light moves in a straight line. This shows when the light is moving in a straight line, then only we can see the images and the shadows. Let's take one more example to see that light travels in a straight line. Take a piece of rubber tube and light a candle, and through your eye just see through the pipe at the candle, while you, like I am showing you in the image also. Now you will be able to, the candle is very visible to you. Now what you will do is just bend a pipe a little while you are looking at the candle. Now you won't be able to see the candle. This suggests, what does this suggest? This suggests that the light travels in a straight line. By this activity we have understood that light travels in a straight line. Now yet we will take another, this thing is mirrors and reflection. When we are looking in the mirror, we see our face inside the mirror. What is this? When we are watching, means you are seeing yourself and you can see things around you also. What is this? This is basically a reflection of your face in the mirror. You also see reflection of other objects that are in front of the mirror. Sometimes what you see when you are near the lake or the pond, you see the reflection of the trees, buildings, bridges in the pond water or lake. Now let's take one more example. We will do one kind of, what we will do is ask your friend to hold a mirror in the center of a room. Now tell you stand in the left side and ask your friend to stand on the right side. Now do one thing, adjust your fingers with a small gap between them so that you can get a beam of light. Direct the beam of light of the torch light into the mirror that your friend is holding. Do you see a patch of light on the other side? Yes. Adjust the direction of the torch so that the patch of light falls on the friend who is standing on the left of you. You will see that the image is falling on this. This activity suggests that mirror changes the direction of the light that falls on it. Means the light travels in the straight line and the mirror can change the direction of the light. This activity shows that the traveling of the light is in a straight line and it gets reflected because of the mirror. So this is what is mirror and reflection. With this we come